Raiminee back with another Monday Dollar Tree haul video. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I went to the Dollar Tree and I also went to Target. I just shopped through the part where they have the $5, $3, and $2 items right in the beginning of the doorway, and I also was in search of all the things that they have available for graduates. The 2018 graduates is almost that time of year, so if you guys are looking for something to decorate for your celebration, for your graduate, or even for yourself, if you guys want to make a party for yourself, if you're graduating in 2018, then you want to make sure that you watch this video. So first part of the video is going to be my walkthrough, and then we'll get right to what I picked up today. So party supplies is in for the graduates. Let's see what they have at Target. Oh, they have these. These are the class of 2018 photo props. Those are $5. Decoration kits. Those are $5. Oh, this is cute. You can put your photos in here. That's $6. They got the beach ball, 2018. The chalkboard. Put those on the tables. That'd be perfect putting on the table. They got the garland with the hat. Those are only $4. And what is this? Oh, the congratulations balloon kit. That's $5. Those are congratulations. And of course they have the plates, black and white with hats on them. This what? It's 30 of them in here for $3.50. The napkins. Oh, this is cute. It's perfect for serving. Then you got a thank you box shaped just like the hat. And that's $8. So I think that's about all that is on. That's on the end cap. So they have everything you need right now, basically, when the kids are getting out of school. What is this? Bubble blaster. $3. Let's see. I see pink and green. Got little bingo games. Chalk for the sidewalks. Right here. Get 12 count. Play sand. That's $3. Got the buckets for the beach. Those of you guys who go to the beach or have little sand boxes. They have little art kits so they can paint. This is really cute. Get them some acrylic paint. You can use it as wall decoration. Yeah, they have quite a bit. So you got the United States, and here you have the alphabet. Turn it around. You have the alphabet. Put it on the wall. That's cute. Those are $5. You got the little garden sets. Oh, look at this. For those of you who like to get the books for the kids. Got the little books about the states and the solar system. For the older kids, got little badminton sets. That's cute. Inflatable bowling kits. Everything you need for the water. Look at these little bags. These little bags are cute. Drawstring bags. They have dinosaur. I like these. These are cute. Little tacos and pretzels and a slice of watermelon ice cream. Alright, graduation time. Here's what's at your local Dollar Tree. So you have the yard banners, yard signs. Those are cute. A few different colors going on here. Hello lanyards. And these say, congrats 2018. That's cute. Had a glitter cutouts. They read 2018. So it has what? Yellow, blue, red, and green in their glitter. Again, just like Target, you have the balls, but these are just $1. So, you have the beach balls. Got one that's colorful, one that's black, white, and gold. Pretties. Little rubber duckies. Bubbles. You have, of course, the graduation mugs, tumblers. So, I see pink, blue, and white. Of course, you have more tumblers. These ones come with the straws. That's cute. The tassel is worth the hassle. And I'm dropping stuff. And of course you have more little banners. This one has a little cheetah print. It has some other dangly tassels that go with it. Those are the ones that hang from the wall. Like that. The ceiling, I'm sorry. You got the banner that goes with that one. Centerpiece. So if you got a girl graduating, that's like perfect for her. Got stickers. These are like silver. And these are like more gold. Got selfie stuff. All this stuff is really cute, guys. Here's a mural. Another banner that'll look like that. A garland. It's nice and colorful. Here's another centerpiece, probably for more like a guy. This is black and gold. Oh, this is cute. Hanging decoration. And this is even more hanging decoration. This one has 3 on there. Got plates. Sweat. Napkins. There's 14 plates in that pack. These are the bags. Some nice glitter bags. Then of course you have tablecloths. Got picture frames. And this one says grad. Class of 2018 frame. That's a nice one. Have this one with a hat. Okay, so I'm back. I hope that I showed you guys something that you could find useful. Went to the Dollar Tree and the Target if you didn't notice where I was at. And so yeah, I was just walking you guys through what is available for graduates 2018. So 2018 graduates, congratulations if you're watching this. And if you are a parent, aunt, uncle, sister, brother, whatever, you have somebody graduating, let them know that J. Raiminee said congratulations to you. Anyhow, the sun is coming down, it's getting later, so I'm gonna try and make this as quick as possible. I didn't pick up too much today, so yeah. Anyhow, let's get to it. First, I went and got some shower caps, and these come 12 in a pack for $1. They are the clear shower packs, and I use these also to condition my hair. They're great if you just want to make sure to keep your hair moist overnight. For you ladies who have natural hair, that's a good tip. If you want to add any water to your hair, spritz it with water or some aloe vera and put one of those caps on at night to keep your hair nice and supple. Next, I picked up 2 scarves. Not sure if you guys can see that. The first one has like flowers on it, nice tropical spring and summer colors. And how long is this? This is 63 by 13 inches. And they have, I think my Dollar Tree had maybe 4 or 5 different styles. I picked out these 2 because I think that they're a little bit, you know, a little bit simple compared to the other ones that they had in there. So check your Dollar Tree out. They usually have the scarves anyway. They're usually up by the registers in that little, it's like an end cap that's by the register, so usually hanging there. And I use those to wrap around my neck, also to wrap my hair when I just feel like wrapping my hair up and putting it in like a little puff or whatever. Let's see. Next, I got these manicure sets. So I got 2 of these. One I'm keeping for myself, and the other one I'm going to send to my mom. 2 of these, and they have like the little clasps on the side. I'm not going to open these because I don't know which one I'm going to send to her, but they have nail clipper, nail scissors, nail file, tweezers, and a cuticle pusher in them. And I had to hunt for these right here. They were over by the storage containers. So I think that was a good find because anyhow, I think that was a good find because you're always in a situation where somebody needs a nail file or a clipper and everybody's digging through their purses and nobody has anything. So yeah, I thought that was a good deal. Next, and the final thing that I got was the storage. Am I turning this right? The Glad storage bags. Now I usually get the Reynolds wrap and the Glad storage bags anyhow, but I ran out and I found these, the quart size zipper bags. And they're usually 12 in a pack. These ones have 4 bonus bags in there, so it's 16 in this one. So if you could find these, go ahead and grab them. They come in handy for when I cut up my peppers and my onions to throw them in the freezer or anything like that. Some type of storage for like noodles or rice if you guys store like beans and all that stuff. But anyhow, that is it for today. I didn't pick up many things. I just picked up what I thought was kind of cute and a couple items that I did need. So I needed the shower caps, I needed the Glad bags, I also needed some light bulbs, but every time I buy light bulbs at the Dollar Tree they blow out, so I'm not even gonna bother getting those anymore at the Dollar Tree. So anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and be sure to watch my other haul videos. I'll have the playlist linked in the corner in the below. You'll see the little eye up there. But if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit the red subscription button down below. Be sure to like, comment, and share this page also. I appreciate your support. I appreciate you guys watching. And yeah, as usual, be sure to have a beautiful day and a beautiful life. Thank you for watching. Bye.